Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from one of the most popular first-person shooter ever made, Counter-Strike Global Offensive. And today I would like to show you all of the Molotovs for A-site on map the Inferno, which you should actually know you could take the A-site properly and easily. But before we start in this video, I'm going to use my own practice config things, which I can see the grenade trajectory showing impacts, flying and many more. So if you want to know how to create this kind of config, simply watch one of our previous videos, and if you would like to know the Molotovs for the B side, actually watch one of previous videos too. But now let's go for the Molotovs for A side Inferno. Okay, first let's say that you want to molly the A short, so around this column to actually make the CT player change the position. So for this, simply come here to this bench at the mid, to the corner, and then as you can see the balcony and the bricks at the right, so you will go up from the bricks till you will hit the actually smoke from the chimney, and then you will slightly run through and jump through. And as you can see, the short is Molotov, so actually the player cannot hide anymore behind this pillar. Okay, next let's say that you want to molly the back corner, so for this simply come here on the mid, line yourself up till like this part of the roof, as you can see here, will be lined up with this wood at the wall, so like this, and then you will aim like those two roofs are meeting together and simply throw. And you can see the tooth is Molotov properly, so actually this player have to change position, but even if he has to change position, he will be damaged rapidly, because he have to move through the all Molotov. Okay, next let's say that you want to Molotov everything under the roof, so for this simply come here to the left side of those doors, and then as you can see this darkest spot on the wall, so we will aim to the left side from this and slightly run through. And then as you can see, everything under the roof is on the fire. Okay, next let's say that you want to molly pit from the A long, for this simply come here to this box, to the right side of it actually. And then as you can see this wall, so we will aim between this and this pipe like in the middle and slightly run through. And as you can see, the pit is on fire. Okay, another smoke I'm going to show you is for A side, so simply come here, you will come to the right side of this like box, and then you will aim, as you can see this rectangle all on the wall, so you will aim to the right top corner of it and simply just jump through. And as you can see, the side is Molotov, so actually the player can't play behind the toolbox and he have to change position. So next smoke I'm going to show you is for this part of the side, so basically when you combine all of these smokes together, it's so much easier to take this side. So for this simply come to the long, and as you can see the doors here, you will stand to the left side of them, as you can see this brick part, so in the middle of the brick part. And then you will aim on the roof, as you can see this part, and there are like lines on the roof, so we will aim to the first line and then top, like till you will hit, let's say that there is a rectangle, so top, chimney, cable and this one, so you will aim like in middle of this and simply jump rope. And as you can see, the all side is burning, so every player at every position actually have to change position or they will die. So in combination with the previous smoke, you can simply take the side easily. Okay, another way how you can actually throw the side molly is from here, from the window left side, here from the middle of this like white part. And then you will aim, as you can see, this vertical part of the roof, so you will aim like the 1, 2, 3, third wood at the bottom, so like this, and simply jump through. And as you can see, the side is Molotov again. Okay, another Molotov that can actually help you to reach A side is for the apartments, so simply come here to this corner of the wall, and then you will aim, as you can see, this flower pot on the top, so you will aim to the left side of it and go straight to the top of the roof, and then you will slightly run through. And as you can see, the apps are Molotov, so actually Molotov is spreading everywhere, so even the player in the corner has to change his position Okay, so next let's say that you want to molly a balcony. For this, simply come here at the mid to this window, and as you can see the third part from the right side of this fence, so you will line here up. And then as you can see on this wall, two darker spots, so you will aim to the bottom one and to the left side from it till you will hit like the bottom of this wood, so like this, and then run throw, jump throw, like this. And as you can see the balcony is molotov, so in player on defense have to change position and go down to pit, which is by the way burning as well, as you could see. So another way how you can actually molly the balcony A-site is from the short, so simply come here, then you will see the slight gap at the walls, and then as you can see this window, we will aim to the top of it this little bit and like a little bit to the left from this side of the wall, so like this, and just throw. As you can see the balcony is again molotov properly, even with the truck, even with the pit, everything. Okay, another molotov is for the roof on the A short, so for this simply come here, jump on the balcony, and then you will line yourself up on the second pole of this like fence, and from this you will simply aim here and then jump through. And as you can see the roof is molotov, so actually the player has to change his position, and even the pilar is molotov as well. So okay, next let's say that the bomb is planted on the default and you are at the post plant situation, so simply you can come here to this window and right in the middle, and then you will aim to the top of the roof like this part of this, so at the top of this, and simply just slightly to the front and jump through. And as you can see the default is molotov and CT actually cannot defuse it anymore. Okay, another molotov is again for the A default plant, so simply come here to the boiler, and or basically you are standing there, so whatever, and then as you can see those balcony doors, you will simply aim to the top of them and then slightly run through. And as you can see the default is molotov, so actually CT have to stop defusing the bomb. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you liked it. If you want to see more tutorial videos from Counter-Strike Global Offensive, simply hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe. We really need it. And if you want to know which video and when will be released, just follow us on our Patreon, link in description. But ladies and gentlemen, that is really all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see ya at the next video. Goodbye.